Hey, what's good guys? It's Harman from Nocturnal again, and today we're gonna install a pretty cheap ass eBay $100 lip. Let's see how it goes.
Scandy Instinct.
The next day, my drill ended up dying, so I had to use someone else's. So we're just gonna do a screw right here, and then mirror it on the other side and see if it sticks. I just M-taped it so far, but you know this shit's gonna fall down if I go on the highway or something. So I'm gonna just finish it up. Go. Don't tell me when to go.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Go. Hey, what's good guys? The camera died, so you know we gotta use a GoPro, and it's like the next day. But so I put a screw under here, and then I also put one right here, two right here, and then one here, and then on the other side I did the same thing for right here. So the lip looks like it's sturdy. I put a lot of M-tape, so it shouldn't be coming off anytime soon. I wasn't gonna get a carbon one because I know I'm gonna scrape. I'm 100% gonna scrape. So these are the aftermarket ones. I got these from Amazon, so you know it might be a little cheaper than usual. I didn't want to get carbon right now because I leave this car outside. It's not even garage kept, so you know it's gonna wear out eventually. So I just wanted to get gloss black right now. But you squeeze these and you pull it out. And then I also did the sequential turn signals right here. So all you do is, there's these little clips right here, if I can find them. There's these little clips and you pop them up. You unscrew everything and then you pull this down and then you pull this out and there's a little plug. You unplug it and then put the new one in. That's it. And then you just kind of just push this back in and then you're good. And now we're just gonna put the mirror back and hopefully everything works out. And you know, we're not a tutorial guide, so I'll just leave a video in the link how to do the mirror caps, because obviously I'm not a professional. Brand new. I think it's used actually.
Damn, it's hella sunny. Alright, so we actually got some sun going out today. So what we're gonna do is washing Civic and then the Beamer up in the cut. I think we're probably, just because it's sunny, just gonna drive up to this one little warehouse that we live by and then just take some quick get some quick photo shoots, you know. Yeah, we got the Beamer right here.
Damn, look at them wheels.
Alright, we're heading to the location right now to take some flicks. We just finished washing the cars and everything. And yeah, we're gonna see y'all there.
Alright, we're in a secret location taking quick pics. You know how it is. So I'm gonna just record us taking pictures and we'll show the picture on the screen. So yeah, we're using an iPhone. We don't have an actual camera. You know, got the new blip. Got the gloss black mirror caps. Still waiting for the diffuser, but you know, you guys are gonna see this in the same video. So after this scene, you'll see my gloss black diffuser installed. Yeah guys, I'm sorry. eBay just canceled my order. I got it from like China or something, so you know, it's just not gonna work out. I'll order a different one and hopefully they'll come in. I'll order some side skirt extensions too. But I just can't face you guys. That's why you guys can't see my face. I'm just so disappointed in myself. But have a good day and we'll see you guys next video.